In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a linear standard curve in Excel. A linear standard curve is a simple but powerful way to show the relationship between a known concentration, often called a standard, and a measured response, like absorbance. You'll see this in chemistry, biology, and lots of data analysis tasks. By the end, you'll have a clean chart, the best fit line through your data, and the equation you can use to estimate unknown concentrations. First, open Microsoft Excel and get your data into two columns. In column A, type concentration. In column B, type absorbance. Then enter your standards so each row has a pair of values. For example, 0 with 0.0, 2 with 0.15, 4 with 0.31, 6 with 0.47, and 8 with 0.62. Keep concentrations in column A and responses in column B. A quick tip: make sure these cells are numeric and not stored as text, and avoid extra spaces. Clean data gives you a cleaner curve. Next, create the chart. Highlight the range A1 through B6 so both the concentrations and absorbances are selected. Go to the Insert tab, choose Scatter, also called XY, and pick Scatter with only markers. A scatter plot is important here because it treats your X values as numbers and preserves the true spacing between concentrations, instead of connecting points with arbitrary lines. Now add the trend line that will form your standard curve. Click any data point in the chart. To select the series, right-click and choose Add Trend Line. Select Linear, then check Display Equation on Chart and display R² value. Excel will draw the best fit straight line through your points and place the equation and R2 on the chart. Let's interpret what you see. You'll get something like y equals 0.070 n plus 0.02. Here, y is the measured response, such as absorbance, and x is the concentration. This is your standard curve equation. The R² value, which ranges from 0 to 1, tells you how well the line fits your data. The closer to 1, the better the linear relationship. If you have an unknown sample and you measured an absorbance of 0.4 you can solve for its concentration using the equation rearranged as x equals e, y, b, plus m. In Excel, type 0.40, 0.02, 0.078 and press Enter. Replace 0.4 with your actual absorbance and use the slope and intercept shown on your chart. That result is your estimated concentration. That's it. You've built, interpreted, and used a linear standard curve in Excel. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.